Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study math effectively, step by step. First, ensure you truly understand the foundational concepts. Don't just memorize formulas, grasp the why behind them. Regular practice of basic arithmetic and algebra is crucial for building confidence and speed. Actively identify and address any areas where your understanding is weak before moving to more complex topics. Next, engage with the material actively. Don't just read. Work through every example problem step by step, ensuring you understand each transition. Explaining concepts aloud to yourself or a friend can reveal gaps in your knowledge. A powerful technique is to teach a concept to someone else. This forces you to organize your thoughts and articulate the information clearly. Consistent practice is absolutely essential for math mastery. Solve a wide variety of problems from your textbook, online resources, and past exams. Don't shy away from challenging or complex problems. They often provide the most significant learning opportunities. Always review your mistakes carefully to understand where you went wrong and how to avoid similar errors in the future. This iterative process builds true proficiency. Finally, don't hesitate to seek help when you need it. Ask questions in class, attend office hours, or find a tutor. Maintaining an organized notebook with clear notes and solved problems will be an invaluable resource for review. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay focused and refreshed during your study sessions. Staying hydrated is key for concentration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.